Good morning, children. Good morning, children. This is VMP, sir. And today we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Okay? Degrees of comparison totally. In this we use the parts of speech adjective. In this the parts of speech we use adjective. Okay? For example, clever, tall, okay, like this, good. These all are adjectives. We use only adjectives. Clever, tall, good. These are some examples for adjectives. In degrees of comparison, the parts of speech we use is adjective. So degrees of comparison is of three types. First one is a positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. What is positive degree? It tells about itself only. It tells about itself only. It tells about itself only. For example, mango is sweet. Okay, mango is sweet. This mango is a noun. How this mango? We are talking about this mango, sweet. Okay, mango is sweet. Here we are describing about this mango only. We are talking about only this one only. That's why this is in comparative degree. This is positive degree. Okay, positive degree tells about like this mango is sweet. This is how is a mango sweet. We are talking about only one mango. We are not comparing with any other. Okay, only about that mango, the quality we are telling. That's why this degree is in positive degree. What degree here? What we can call positive degree. It is in positive degree. Okay, children, positive degree. Now look at the other example. Mango is sweeter than orange. We are comparing mango and orange. Comparison between mango and orange. How is and after this comparative degree, this is comparative degree. We are using than. Mango is sweeter than orange. The comparison between the two things. That's why we can call it is in comparative degree. And look at the adjective, the sweeter. To this sweet we are adding just er, so it becomes comparative degree. Okay, children. Next one, mango is the sweetest fruit. Mango is the sweetest fruit. This is superlative degree. Why, sir? Here the given degree is in superlative degree. First positive degree is sweet. Here sweeter. If you add er, it becomes sweeter. If you add est to that sweet, it becomes superlative degree. So mango is the sweetest fruit. Mango is the sweetest fruit. So here comparison is more than two. Here what is the comparison here? More than two things. More than two things. More than two things. Here only two, between two things only. Okay, it talks about itself only. So mango is the sweetest fruit. So many fruits are there here. In that mango only the sweetest, like that meaning we are going to get it. Okay, these are the three different way we can tell the sentence. Now let's see here. Just again, if you go in detail, somewhat detail. Okay, if we go in detail, we will come to know something. What that something? Let's see here. So generally, this is degrees. For example, I have written just now sweet. This is positive degree. This is positive degree. How can change into comparative? Same sweet, but here you add er. It becomes a comparative degree. This is one type. All degrees only, all adjectives only. How can we change into different types of comparisons or degrees of comparison. How can we change it? Positive to comparative, comparative to superlative degree. So to this sweet, you just add est, it becomes superlative degree. Okay, do you understand it? Like this we have sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Like this we have many. For example, one more example I will take you. Clever, cleverer. Just if you add er, est, it becomes comparative and superlative degrees to the base form of a positive degree. This is one category. One more category, look at here, good. This is different from other. Good, better, best. Total all these three forms are different. Okay, the three forms of degrees of comparison is totally different. Good, better, best, total different. Like this, some words you may get. For example, less, little, less, least. Okay, little, less, least. Like this, some more words will be. Next, one more category is there. For example, beautiful. It remains same. This word remains same, but before this word we will add the prefix more. More beautiful. Okay, more beautiful and most beautiful. Most beautiful. Like this. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Like these words we may write. For example, next one, handsome. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Like this, all adjectives only. How can we change into comparative? By adding here some words directly, different forms will be to change, and other by adding more and most. Like this, in three forms we can change the degrees of comparisons: positive to comparative to superlative degrees. Okay, children, this is very easy. Already you have learned. Now, actual topic comes like this. Now, internal change of degrees of comparison. What is this here? Internal change of degrees of comparison. Internal change. Okay. Internal change of degrees of comparison. Let's see here internal change of degrees of comparison. In this, I am telling the model one. For example, A is taller than B. What we are A is taller than B. This is comparative degree. How can I say comparative degree? Because here taller is there, no sir, comparative degree. Comparison between A and B, the two persons is there, no sir, that's a comparative degree. No. After this taller we have than, that's why comparative degree. Yes, all are suitable. Yes, whatever I said just now, A is taller than B, no? This is a comparative. In this model, we can change comparative to positive degree and positive degree to vice versa. Which positive degree will be changing into comparative degree. So there is no scope of superlative degree. In this model one, there is no scope of superlative degree. We will change what is positive comparative given means comparative degree given means you can change it to positive. If positive degree given means you can change it to comparative in this model one. Let's see how we are going to change. A is taller than B means whatever B is not taller only getting now, not right on up to here negative form and add just so. B is not so, bring the positive degree now, tall. Okay, A is taller than B means B, what about B? B is not taller. So B is not negative form, write down, not so, write down. Bring this adjective and make it into positive degree. Okay, B is not so tall as A. Like this, write down. This is becomes what a positive degree. This becomes a positive degree like this. A is taller than B. Comparative degree. What is the answer? B is not so tall as A. Positive degree. It's one example. For example, one more example I will give for this model. Okay. India is greater than Nepal. India is greater than Nepal. So this is a compared degree, already you know. Why comparison between the two countries? Greater compared degree, and after that we use it than. By observing these things we can say it is a comparative degree. Now we can change it to positive degree. Nepal. Nepal is not so great as India. This is a positive degree. Like this we have to change it. Today we are going to learn only this model. Okay. Other three models next day. India is greater than Nepal. Nepal is not so great as India. Next, one more next week. Okay, now I will give positive. Okay, for example, positive means what? Tea is not so good as what we can look at here. Tea is not so good as any milk. This is a compared positive degree. Anything you can write, I wrote milk. Tea is not so good as milk. Tea is not so good as milk. What I wrote here? Tea is not so good as milk, positive degree. Now we have to change it to comparative. Positive given means comparative, comparative given means positive. Now look at here. Milk is better than tea, comparatively. Why milky here will be? Is okay. Good becomes better. Then after than. Next bring this tea here. Okay. Milk is better than tea, comparative degree. Like this we have to write. One more example I will give you. Okay. Now for example, plastic is not so useful as iron. Compared positive degree. Why? As and so and adjective. Positive degree is there, no? That's why. Okay. What is this here? Plastic is not so useful as iron. Positive degree. Okay. Now we have to change into comparative degree. How? Iron is useful, no? More useful. Iron is more useful than what is that? Plastic. This is comparative degree. Okay. Plastic is not so useful as iron. Look at it. Iron is more useful than plastic. Like this we can change it. Okay. I will give you some more examples. Now you have to change it. Exercises. Exercise homework for you. I will write you 10 examples. Okay. Now exercise for you. You can change it. Okay. 10 examples. Okay. America is richer than India. It is a compared degree now. Change it into positive degree. America is richer than India. Next one. Mahesh is fatter than Raj. Next one. Mahesh is fatter than Raj. Okay. Scorpion is more poisonous than lizard. Okay. Scorpion is more poisonous than lizard. Okay, children. like this. Next one, anything you can write it. This box is heavier than that bag. This box is heavier than that bag. Surya is more handsome than Prabhu. Look at here. Surya is more handsome than Prabhu. Surya is more handsome than Prabhu. Okay, any name you can write it. Now, this all comparatives I have given. No? Now I will give the positive. Okay. Neighbor is not so good as a friend. Now you have this is a positive degree, no? You change it into comparative. Neighbor is not so good as friend. Otherwise, uncle right up, easy will be. Uncle is not so good as friend. Personally you are telling something. Uncle is not so good as a friend. Next one. Make some, we have to write something like this. 1 minute. Mango is not so delicious as kiwi. Okay. Mango is not so delicious as a kiwi. Delicious means a comparative degree, more delicious will be. Okay. College is not so good as school. Okay, college is not so good as school. Next one. Alexander was not so great as Ashoka. Look at here. Alexander was not so great as Ashoka. Last and final one. Okay. Yesterday was not so memorable as today. Okay. So yesterday was not so memorable as today. These are the 10 questions here. You have to change it into other forms. Okay. Change it into other forms according to it. Once again I will show you. 1 minute. Okay. First one, once again I am reading. America is richer than India. Change it into positive degree. Next one. Mahesh is fatter than Raj. Change it to positive degree. Scorpion is more poisonous than lizard. Change it into positive degree. This box is heavier than that bag. Change it into positive degree. Surya is more handsome than Prabhu. Change it into positive degree. Uncle is not so good as a friend. Change it into comparative degree. Mango is not so delicious as kiwi. change it into comparative. College is not so good as school, change it into comparative. Okay, Alexander was not so good great as Ashoka, change it into comparative. Next one, yesterday was not so memorable as today, change it into comparative. Like this you can change it. Okay children, okay, bye, see you.